Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Mac Mini. First, locate the small, circular power button on the back of the device. It's usually near the power cord. Press this button firmly for about 1 second. You should hear a startup chime and see the Apple logo appear on your connected display shortly after. This simple action initiates the boot process, getting your Mac Mini ready for use. Before powering on, ensure your essential peripherals are connected. Plug your display cable into the appropriate port, whether it's HDMI or Thunderbolt. Then, connect your keyboard and mouse to any available USB ports. A secure connection for all these devices is crucial for a smooth startup experience. This setup ensures you can interact with your Mac Mini immediately after it boots up. If your Mac Mini doesn't turn on, first check that the power cable is fully inserted into both the device and the wall outlet. Sometimes a loose connection is the culprit. You might also try a different power outlet or even a different power cable if you have one available. If these steps don't work, resetting the System Management Controller, or SMC, can often resolve power-related issues. To ensure optimal performance and a smooth startup, always place your Mac Mini on a flat, stable surface. This helps with proper ventilation and prevents overheating. Make sure no vents are blocked, allowing for good airflow around the device. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. And speaking of reading, you can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, so be sure to check the link in the description for that and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.